Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Best Solutions English Classes. This is Pratibha Anand. Today we will start the new chapter, The Starting Point. I hope you all know about Milkha Singh and you have surely seen the movie based on his life. This extract, The Starting Point, is taken from the book The Race of My Life written by Milkha Singh with Sonia Sanwalka. So Milkha Singh is also known as the Flying Sikh and is a former Indian track and field sprinter. Sprinter means fast runner. He represented India in the Commonwealth Games in 1958 and the Summer Olympic Games of 1956, 1960 and 1964. As a child, he used to run 10 kilometers to school and back. So running long distances came naturally to him. Means जब बचपन में वो अपने स्कूल के लिए 10 किलोमीटर्स की रन करते थे, इस कारण से उनके अंदर लंबी दूरी की जो दौड़ लगाने की क्षमता थी वो प्राकृतिक रूप से आ गई थी. In his youth, he joined the army where he was introduced to running as a sport. And when he joined the army in his young age, he was introduced to running as a sport. Having found his calling on the track, Milkha Singh went on to win several accolades. Accolades means prizes. He won several prizes for India at various international events. He is best remembered for his fourth place finish in the 400 meters final at the 1960 Olympic Games. His fourth place time of 45.73 seconds became the Indian national record then and was held for almost 40 years. Means this fourth place record that was 45.73 seconds remained a record in India for almost 40 years. Let's start the explanation of the chapter. See the paragraph number 1. Three fortunate incidents that occurred in January 1953 when I was a new recruit in the army changed the course of my life. Here Milkha Singh is telling that three fortunate incidents that occurred in January 1953 means तीन ऐसी सौभाग्यशाली घटनाएं थी जो जनवरी 1953 में हुई when I was a new recruit. Recruit means who recently joined the armed forces. So he was a new recruit in the army and that incident had totally changed the course of his life. Now see the paragraph number 2. After the morning roll call one Saturday, there was an announcement that a 6-mile race was to be held the next day. Here Milkha Singh is telling that after the morning attendance one Saturday, there was an announcement that a 6-mile race will be held on the next day. All 500 recruits would participate in this event. The top 10 would be exempted from fatigue duty and be given a glass of milk every day during the training period. Means what was the announcement? That all 500 recruits will participate in this event and the top 10 recruits will be exempted from the fatigue duty. Exempted means excused from doing a particular duty, and fatigue duty means duty of cleaning the utensils, cooking and washing the clothes like this, and be given a glass of milk every day. और उस रिक्रूट को a glass of milk provide किया जाएगा every day during the training period. Now see the paragraph number 3. The next morning we reported at the starting line wearing canvas shoes, vest and khaki shorts. Means on the next morning when the race was going to start, we reported, means all recruits reported at the starting line and they worn canvas shoes, vests and khaki shorts. The whistle blew and we set off. And when the whistle means सीटी जैसे ही बजी, we set off, हम दौड़ पड़े. Filled with a sense of mission. Sense of mission means a feeling that he was doing a very important task. I ran as fast as I could. Now he is telling that I ran as fast. मैं उतना तेज दौड़ा जितना मैं दौड़ सकता था. The reward of getting a glass of milk was a big treat for me, as I had suffered great want and deprivation in my childhood. Now here Milkha Singh is telling that the glass of milk, getting a glass of milk was a big treat for him, because he had suffered great want and deprivation, means the situation of not having something due to lack of money. पैसे ना होने के कारण जो situation face करनी पड़ती है, that is called deprivation. तो उन्हें जो एक glass milk का offer था, that was a big treat for him. I took the lead in the first 2 and 3 miles or 3 miles, means I took the lead. मैंने उस रेस में लीड ले ली थी इन द फर्स्ट 2 और 3 माइल्स, पहले 2 या 3 माइल्स में. I would rest a while if I felt tired and then run again when I saw others catching up. Now, after taking the lead, he decided that he would rest a while if he felt tired, and then he will again start running when he will see that others are coming near to him. Luck was with me. Now he is telling that luck was with me that day and I finished 6th in the race, and he came at the 6th place in that race. Now see the paragraph number 4. The names of the 10 recruits who qualified were announced before a large gathering of almost 300 people. Means in front of the 300 people, the name of the recruits, 10 recruits who qualified for the race were announced. Friends, even strangers wildly applauded and thumped me on my back. Means in that gathering, not only friends, even strangers also widely applauded and thumped me on my back. उन्होंने applaud means appreciate किया और thump किया मेरी back पे. Shouting shabash, and they were shouting shabash. I was quite overwhelmed by the attention and appreciation I received that night. Now he is telling that which kind of appreciation and attention I got that night that had filled me with the great emotions, and this incident became the starting point of my career as an athlete. And after getting so much attention and appreciation, this incident became the turning point, or you can say starting point of his career as an athlete. Now see paragraph number 5. As part of our training, we had to run 6 miles every day. Means as a recruit, this was his training, that he had to run 6 miles every day. I eagerly looked forward to the end of the practice sessions when we would get the promised glass of milk. Means he eagerly waited for that moment when the practice session will end and he would get the promised glass of milk. कि जब उन्हें प्रॉमिस किया हुआ ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क मिलेगा, इसके लिए वो वेट करते रहते थे. आवर इंस्ट्रक्टर वॉज हवलदार गुरदेव सिंह, who had been with the army for about 15 years. Although his task was to train new recruits, he was a good runner himself and he continued to participate in races. Means Milkha Singh's instructor was Havaldar Gurdev Singh, who had been with the army for about 15 years, जो आर्मी में करीब 15 सालों से थे. Although his task was to train new recruits, यद्यपि कि उनका जो टास्क होता था, काम होता था, टू ट्रेन न्यू रिक्रूट्स. मीन्स जो न्यू रिक्रूट्स आते थे, जो न्यू आर्म्ड फोर्सेस को ज्वाइन करते थे, उनको ट्रेन करना था. ही वॉज अ गुड रनर हिमसेल्फ, बट हवलदार गुरदेव सिंह वॉज ऑल्सो अ गुड रनर एंड ही कॉन्टिन्यूड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन रेसेस. एंड ही कॉन्टिन्यूड मीन्स उन्होंने जारी रखा था टू पार्टिसिपेट इन रेसेस, रेसेस में पार्टिसिपेट करना. Now see the paragraph number 6. Gurdev was a taciturn, no-nonsense kind of a man. Here Milkha Singh is telling about his instructor that Gurdev Singh was a taciturn, no-nonsense kind of a man. Here, Milkha Singh is telling about his instructor that Gurdev Singh was a taciturn, no-nonsense kind of a man. Reserved, taciturn means reserved, and serious, straightforward kind of a person. His tough exterior hid his soft and gentler side. Means Gurdev Singh was appeared to be very strict and harsh, although he was not really like that. Means अंदर से वो बहुत ही जेंटल थे, लेकिन वो बाहर से बहुत सख्त दिखते थे. He would run with us during training sessions, prodding us with a danda, shouting, "Run boys, run for our regiment." Means he ran with us during the training sessions, prodding us with a danda, means pushing us with a danda that was in his hand, and he always shouted, "Run boys, run for our regiment." कि लड़कों दौड़ो, हमारी रेजिमेंट के लिए दौड़ो. I strongly believe that he was instrumental in motivating me to strive to become a world-class athlete. Now Milkha Singh is telling that I strongly believe, means Milkha Singh strongly believed that he was instrumental, means Gurdev Singh was instrumental, means played an important role in the life of Milkha Singh for motivating him to become a world class athlete, कि उन्हें वर्ल्ड क्लास एथलीट बनाने में उनका बहुत बड़ा रोल था. Even today when I think of his डंडा, now Milkha Singh is telling that even today, कि जब आज भी मैं उनके उस डंडे के बारे में सोचता हूँ, I bow my head in respect, तो मेरा सर सम्मान से झुक जाता है. Now see the paragraph number 7. 6 weeks into our training, the center held a cross country race. Means during the training of 6 weeks, the center organized a cross country race. Cross country means the open area race that will not be held on the track. And in this event, Gurdev came first and I came second. And in this cross country race, Gurdev Singh came first and Milkha Singh came second. Again, I became the cynosure of all eyes. Means again, Milkha Singh became the attention of all eyes. I was 20 or 21 at that time. Milkha Singh was at that time 20 or 21 years old, but looked much younger. लेकिन काफी छोटे दिखते थे. I was asked to take part in the brigade meet in Hyderabad, where I was asked to run in the 400 meter event. Means उनसे कहा गया कि वो हैदराबाद में होने वाली ब्रिगेड मीट में पार्टिसिपेट करें. Where he was asked to take part in 400 meter event. कि और वहां पर उनसे कहा गया कि वो 400 मीटर इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करें. I was greatly surprised because I did not even know what 400 meters meant. Means Milkha Singh was filled with great surprise that he didn't know what was the 400 meters meant. I had always run 6 miles because he always took part in 6 miles of the race. But it was during the brigade meet that the second incident occurred, which made me even more determined to become a good athlete. Now Milkha Singh is telling that this was the second incident of his life that made him more determined, कि उन्हें और ज्यादा उनके इरादों को पक्का कर दिया टू बिकम अ गुड एथलीट, कि वो एक बहुत अच्छे धावक या एथलीट बने. In the first practice run in Hyderabad, I took off my canvas shoes and ran barefoot. Means when he started his practice for 400 meters in Hyderabad, he took off. Milkha Singh took off his canvas shoes. उन्होंने अपने canvas के shoes को उतार दिया and ran barefoot. और वो नंगे पैर दौड़े. गुरुदेव क्लैप्ड हिज हैंड्स फॉर मी टू स्टार्ट. और गुरुदेव ने मेरे लिए क्लैप किया. मीन्स मिल्खा सिंह इज टेलिंग दिस थिंग दैट गुरुदेव क्लैप्ड फॉर मी व्हेन आई हैव स्टार्टेड द रेस. I did and clocked 63 seconds. Means Milkha Singh started the race and completed the race within 63 seconds. Means 1 minute and 3 seconds. I was eager to run 4 more rounds. Means Milkha Singh was so excited that he wanted to run for 4 more rounds. After all, that was what I was used to running 6 miles every day. क्योंकि वो इससे पहले 6 miles every day run कर रहे थे. And so running a quarter mile seemed for too easy. And after running 6 miles, running off a quarter mile seemed too easy to him. I continued to practice for many days. Now Milkha Singh is telling that he continued his practice for 400 meter race for many days to improve my time, for improving his running time. And soon I was running 400 meters in less than 1 minute. And soon he completed his 400 meter race in less than 1 minute. Now see the paragraph number 8. The day of the meet dawned bright and clear, means when the 400 meter race was going to be held, that day was very much bright and clear. Dawn means early morning. Early morning was very bright and clear. As I made my way to the stadium, I noticed some men who were surrounded by senior officers and their families. Means when Milkha Singh was moving towards the stadium, he saw that some men who was surrounded by senior officers and their families, कि कुछ ऐसे व्यक्ति खड़े थे जो चारों ओर से सीनियर ऑफिसर्स उनकी फैमिलीज के द्वारा घेरे गए थे. द मैन वोर वेस्ट विद इंडिया रिटन ऑन देम इन बोल्ड लेटर्स. और उन व्यक्तियों ने बनियान पहन रखी थी जिसके ऊपर बोल्ड लेटर्स में इंडिया लिखा हुआ था. दे सीम्ड टू हैव एन एयर ऑफ पावर एंड प्रेस्टीज अबाउट देम एंड इट वॉज सीमिंग दैट दे वर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड मच रिस्पेक्टेड फॉर दोज फैमिलीज. I was very curious to know who they were, and Milkha Singh was very much curious to see all that things, that who they were, कि वो कौन व्यक्ति थे जिनको इतना सम्मान मिल रहा था. I was told later that they were athletes who had represented India in international sporting events. मुझे बाद में, now Milkha Singh is writing this thing that उन्हें बाद में बताया गया कि ये वो एथलीट्स थे, वो धावक थे, वो रनर थे, हु हैड रिप्रेजेंटेड इंडिया इन इंटरनेशनल स्पोर्टिंग इवेंट्स, जिन्होंने इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट किया था इंटरनेशनल स्पोर्टिंग इवेंट्स में. That was my eureka moment. The word eureka comes from Greek and its meaning is I have found it. And the eureka moment for Milkha Singh was when he realized what he wanted to become in his life. Now see the next line. I made a solemn promise to myself that I would not rest until I earned a place in that special world too. Means he sincerely made a promise to himself that he will not stop. He will not take rest until he will not gain a place in that special word. Which word? The word of Indian athletes who had the privilege of representing their country. Means in the word of Indian athletes who had the opportunity to represent India at international level. I wanted to wear blazers and vest with the name of my country written on them. Means it was his wish. It was Milkha Singh's wish that he wanted to wear blazers and vest with the name of his country written on them. I resolved that I would make my country proud of me. Means he determined that he will make his country proud on him. Now see the paragraph number 9. I was very nervous when we reported at the starting line before the race. Means Milkha Singh is now telling that when all the participants reported at the starting line before the race, he was very much nervous. This was the first time. Why he was nervous? This was the first time that I was competing in such an event, and that too before thousands of spectators. Means it was his first chance when he was going to participate in such a grand event where thousands of spectators were watching him. I had little idea about the procedures and the technicalities for such events. Now he is telling that I have very little idea. I have very little information about the procedures and the technicalities. Means the rules of the race and the processes that should be followed before the race for such a grand event. मीन्स इतने ग्रैंड इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए कौन से रूल्स और कौन से प्रोसेस फॉलो करने पड़ते हैं उनके बारे में उन्हें बहुत कम जानकारी थी. नाउ सी द पैराग्राफ नंबर 10. आई केम फोर्थ इन द रेस. I was disappointed but not disheartened. Means Milkha Singh came fourth in that race. He was disappointed with his position but he was not disheartened. Means he had not lost his hope or confidence. I had raced with star athletes, the national champion Sohan Singh of Sikh Regiment and Pritam Singh, who had represented India in events abroad. Means why he was not disheartened? Because he had raced with star athletes. कौन से स्टार एथलीट्स थे? द नेशनल चैंपियन सोहन सिंह ऑफ सिख रेजिमेंट एंड प्रीतम सिंह, हु रिप्रेजेंटेड इंडिया एट इंटरनेशनल लेवल. So in between of these star athletes he came fourth. Just because of that he was not disheartened. Now see the paragraph number 11. When I returned from Hyderabad, it was back to work as usual. Parades, other military duties and examinations consumed my time. But my desire to succeed as an athlete was as strong as ever. Means now Milkha Singh is telling that when he came back from Hyderabad, he again joined the regiment and started his regular duties, just like parade and other military duties and examinations. And these things took his all time. But his desire, his wish to get success as an athlete was stronger than any other thing. Now see the next line. After a day of hard work, I would carry my dinner back to the barracks and hide the plate of food under my bed. While my colleagues relaxed in the evenings, I would be at the ground practicing. Now he is telling his plan, that how he managed the time for his running practice in between of so many duties. So he is telling that after a long day of hard work, he carried his dinner to the barrack. Barracks means a group of buildings in which soldiers live. So carried his dinner and started to hide it under the bed. Means bed के नीचे वो अपने dinner को छिपा देते थे. When in the evening his colleagues means other recruits will be relaxed, he started his practice in the ground. See the next line. I still did not know the techniques needed to run a 400-meter race, but I followed a rule of thumb. I would run one round at the highest speed possible, rest for a while, and then run another one. In these lines, Milkha Singh is telling that till that time he had not much information about the rules and regulations for 400-meter race. Rule of thumb means on his own experience. It may not be technically correct, but he decided that he will follow this rule of thumb. Now he decided that he will run one round at his highest possible speed. After that he will rest for a while and then he will again start running. See the next lines. I would complete 5 or 6 rounds and then return to my room to take a bath and have dinner. This was my routine for many months, a secret activity that no one was aware of. In these lines, Milkha Singh is telling that he followed the rule of thumb. In this way, after completing 5 or 6 rounds, he will return to the room and take a bath and have dinner. And this was his routine for many months. Means he followed this routine for many months. A secret activity that no one was aware of. Means about this secret activity no one had any information. Now see the line number 12 and 13. One night I was doing my regular practice rounds when Brigadier S.P. Vora spotted me. He was on his after dinner walk. Why are you on the grounds at this hour? He asked sharply. Means when Milkha Singh was doing his secret practice on the ground, one night Brigadier S.P. Vora spotted him. Spotted him means caught him. When he was his after dinner walk. He asked, means Brigadier S.P. Vora asked to Milkha Singh sharply, why are you on the grounds at this hour? मीन्स तुम इस समय यहाँ पर क्यों हो. Now see the paragraph number 14. Sir, I said, clicking my heels and snapping to attention. In this line, clicking means a short, sharp sound, and snapping means done quickly. Means when Milkha Singh saw Brigadier S.P. Vora, he said to him that, "Sir," and he took a posture for giving him a smart salute. Now see the next line. I tried to do a smart salute, though I was breathing hard and dripping sweat from every pore. Means Milkha Singh is telling that he tried to do a smart salute, though he was breathing hard. Means वो बहुत तेज तेज सांस ले रहे थे, लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने स्मार्ट सैल्यूट देने की कोशिश की. And dripping sweat from every pore means because he was doing the running practice, so sweat was coming from every pore of his body. Sir, I panted, I am practicing for the 400 meter race. Now Milkha Singh replied to Brigadier S.P. Vora that I am practicing means he had given reply in a panted way. Panted means हाँफते हुए मिल्खा सिंह ने रिप्लाई किया, I am practicing for the 400 meter race, कि मैं 400 meter race के लिए प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ. Now see the line number 15. Practicing. Why are you practicing at this hour? He asked, sounding a little astonished. Means Brigadier S.P. Vora asked to Milkha Singh, why are you practicing at this hour? कि तुम इस समय प्रैक्टिस क्यों कर रहे हो? And his sound was astonished, means he was surprised. Now see the line number 16. Because I don't have time to practice during the day, sir, I replied quietly. Now Milkha Singh replied in a very quiet manner to Brigadier S.P. Vora that due to the lack of time, I am doing the practice at this time. Now see the paragraph number 17. He stared at me, then nodded and walked away briskly. I felt quite relieved that I had been let off easily. Now Milkha Singh is telling that when Brigadier S.P. Vora got the answer about his practice timing, he stared, means Brigadier S.P. Vora stared at Milkha Singh. मिल्खा सिंह को घूरा उन्होंने, then nodded and walked away briskly, और उसके बाद नोट करते हुए मीन्स सर हिलाते हुए और तेजी से वॉक करते हुए वहां से चले गए. I felt quite relieved. Now Milkha Singh is telling that I felt quite relieved. मुझे बहुत रिलीफ मिल रहा था. That I had been let off easily, कि मुझे बहुत आसानी से मुक्ति मिल गई थी. Now see the paragraph number 18. This meeting led to a series of actions that I had never anticipated. Means after meeting with Brigadier S.P. Vora, Milkha Singh saw a series of actions that he had never expected. The next day, the commander of my company told me that I did not have to do fatigue duty anymore. Means next day, the commander of Milkha Singh's company told him that he had no need to do any fatigue duty, any extra duty. Now see the last paragraph. This gave me more time to practice. I was given better facilities. Means after that incident, Milkha Singh got more time to practice and better facilities was provided to him. A nutritious diet and special attention was paid to his grooming. Grooming means ट्रेनिंग टू बिकम अ वर्ल्ड क्लास एथलीट. मीन्स उन्हें विश्व स्तरीय धावक बनने के लिए न्यूट्रिशियस डाइट, पोषक तत्वों से भरपूर आहार और स्पेशल अटेंशन दिया जाने लगा. दिस इंसिडेंट ओपनड अप अ होल न्यू वर्ल्ड फॉर मी. मीन्स इस इंसिडेंट ने मिल्खा सिंह के लिए बिल्कुल एक नई दुनिया पूरी खोल दी. वन दैट ऑफर्ड इन्यूमरेबल अपॉर्चुनिटीज. विच काइंड ऑफ वर्ड? विच ऑफर्ड हिम innumerable. Innumerable means too many opportunities to Milkha Singh. Means उनके लिए नए अवसरों का द्वार खोल दिया. Hope you clearly understood the explanation of the chapter, the starting point. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and give your likes and comments.